So let's start with we will be just logging into Azure DevOps. To log in into the Azure DevOps, we first log in into Azure Microsoft.com. You will see it will be giving you an option of Azure DevOps services. If you have already an Azure account, you can just directly click on it. It will create this Azure redirect you into the Azure DevOps services. And one more thing I just want to be point to be added here. Azure DevOps services is free of cost. Some of the services that you are going to consume, it will take charge. But if you are using and consuming the Azure DevOps portal, it will give you some free credits where you can just test and learn the Azure DevOps services. So let's go into this Azure DevOps portal. If you will see, it will redirect you to this Azure portal. And when you log in, there is nothing. So let me just create an organization. So we'll just create an organization first. When we create an organization name, so the organization name should be unique. So let me write here the organization name, my learning DevOps 1 2 3 4 something. And this I think this will be the availability. You can select on which project where you want to host it. So then I will just write here whatever the it will be returning on this characters. And when I click it, it creates an Azure DevOps account with the name of that organization. Okay, later on you can change the name of the organization as well. I will show you from where you can change the organization, and if you want to delete the organization as well, I can show you from where you can delete the organization. So this is the basically we have created an organization under which you can create a project. But if you will you'll go at the bottom of this, you will see the organization settings here. Go to the organization settings. From why I'm just going to here, I just want to be rename this organization name here. Okay, whatever the name that I'm going to change, it will be the becoming my URL as well. You can keep your you can just put any your private URL as well. Okay, and from here, who is the owner, you can change the owner as well. And from here you can delete the organization. If you want to delete, you need to just retype it and we can delete it. Okay, so in the today's session, we just created an account. Let me just go again back here, and I will show you. So I have already a DevOps organization added. So let me create a project here. So I'm just demo project. I'll just show you what are the, and in the advance you can just give the which version control system you want to use. If you want to use TFS, you can use it. If you want to use okay, so these are the workflow management. If you want to use CMMI, Agile, Scrum, you can keep it here. But as of now, first of all, I'm just creating it simple basic one. So it will create a project. So inside the project, so you will see we have a board. So board is like a Jira board. If you are from a development background, so you heard about the Jira in your project. So you can manage the Jira board from here. So basically that is not a Jira board. That is look like the Jira board, same look like the Jira board, but is that board is provided by Azure DevOps. So where you can manage your board, where you can manage your backlogs, you can manage your sprints, you can manage your queries, you can manage your delivery plans. Same way, you can manage your repositories, files, commits, pushes, tags, and whatever the pulls request you have. You want to block any pull request, you can do that. After that, we have the pipeline. You have the pipeline, CI pipeline, CD pipeline. You can create environment. You can release that one. You can create libraries. You can create tasks, deployment groups. We will discuss about all these. The one more point I just want to be added here in the test plan, if you want to be execute any test plan, so that these test plan services will be in will give you a chargeable service, but it will not give you any kind of the error and all, but it will detect the amount. So keep this thing in mind whenever you are running this. So this service is a chargeable services. We will come on the artifact, how we can upload the artifacts and all. You can check the stats of each and everything: board, repos, pipeline, test plan. on the same this dashboard as well. So basically what Azure DevOps provide you, Azure just DevOps provide you the entire life cycle of a project development on the same screen, on the same page, where you can manage each and everything. Okay, for the today's discussion, we will be just end up on the just basics of the DevOps pipeline and Azure DevOps pipeline. What are the things in it? In the next session, we will be just discuss about either repo or the pipe. First, we'll discuss about repo, then we'll move to the pipeline, and then Jira board and this board. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. So in the next session, we will be discuss more about it. Thank you.